In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and use AliExpress with your TikTok shop. Setting up this connection might seem daunting at first, but with a bit of guidance, it becomes genuinely straightforward. I'll lead you through the entire process step by step, so let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the TikTok shop Seller Center website. Once there, log into your seller account with your credentials. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see various options, and you want to focus on the growth section. Under growth, go ahead and click on App Store and subsequently click on Apps. This will take you directly to the Apps and Services page. This page is particularly useful because it allows you to search for and integrate a variety of services with your TikTok shop. To proceed, you'll need to scroll down a bit to find integrated serviceable platforms. You're specifically looking for AliExpress here. It's important to point out that direct connection between AliExpress and TikTok shop isn't possible through these options. Instead, you'll need to utilize third-party apps that will enable you to source products from AliExpress. Some popular dropshipping platforms that offer this service are CJ Dropshipping, Eprolo, or Yakiofi. For today's tutorial, let's take CJ Dropshipping as an example. Select CJ Dropshipping from the list by either clicking on it or typing it into the search bar. Once on the app page, simply click on the install button, which will connect it to your TikTok shop. You'll then be prompted to confirm this integration. Just go ahead and click Authorize at the bottom right corner, ensuring the connection is authorized correctly. The next step involves signing up or logging into your CJ Dropshipping account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which is usually quite a quick process. Once logged in, you'll follow a series of instructions to complete the integration process. The platform will typically guide you through these final steps to make sure your TikTok shop is correctly linked. Once you've completed these steps, you're all set to start importing and syncing products from AliExpress directly into your TikTok shop through the dropshipping service you've selected. It's as simple as that: effortless importing and equally easy product management. And there you have it. Successfully linking your TikTok shop with a platform that sources products from AliExpress can be incredibly beneficial and open up a world of new opportunities for your shop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more TikTok shop tips. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.